In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Twitch stream key and show you how to reset it if needed. Whether you're new to streaming or just need a refresher, this guide will ensure you've got everything you need to get started on Twitch with confidence. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head on over to the Twitch website. If you're not familiar, that's twitch.tv. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your Twitch credentials. Just click the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. If you're signed in already, then you're all set to go. Once you're logged in, look towards the top right area of the Twitch interface. You'll find your profile icon there. It might be a picture you've uploaded, or just the placeholder image if you haven't customized it yet. Click on this icon, which will open a drop-down menu. In this menu, you'll want to find and click on Creator Dashboard. Now, once you're in the Creator Dashboard, take a look at the left-hand sidebar. This sidebar is your navigation panel, packed with tools and settings. What you're looking for is labeled Settings. Click on it, and under that, you'll see Stream. Click on that option as well. Now you're in the right place. This Stream section is where all the magic happens for managing your stream settings, including your stream key. Your Twitch stream key is like a password for broadcasting from your computer to your Twitch account. It's important that you keep it private and secure, as anyone who has access to it can stream on your channel. Here, you'll find your stream key displayed. It's likely a series of asterisks or dots for security reasons, so don't worry if you can't see the entire key. To reveal it, click on the Show button next to your stream key. Remember, only show this in a private environment, never on stream or to anyone else. If you suspect your stream key has been compromised, or you just want to change it for peace of mind, there's also a Reset button right beside it. Clicking Reset will give you a brand new stream key, and your old one will no longer be valid. After resetting, make sure to update the stream key in your streaming software, like OBS or Streamlabs, so everything aligns properly for your next broadcast. And there you have it. You now know how to access and reset your Twitch stream key. It's a straightforward process, but maintaining the privacy and security of your stream key is crucial for your channel's integrity. So, keep it safe, and happy streaming.